Sir, on other cases po, kumusta po yung investigation sa kaso naman doon sa energy kay Congressman Leviste and Senator Licarda?
Tuloy-tuloy. Tuloy-tuloy yung investigation namin.
How about sir, napabalita po na kinumpirma ng NBI na nakaalis na po si Senator Licarda at si Representative Leviste?
Yung ba tatakasan talaga nila? I don't think tatakas sila. Babalik yan.
Okay, sir.
Babalik yan. Naniniwala kami, babalik.
Thank you, sir.
Baka gusto nilang umuwi na nakaposas pag hindi sila bumalik, di ba? Oo.
Hi, Ombudsman. Sir, Herling Delgado from ABS-CBN. Sir, ibang topic lang. There's this Rappler report on Bong Revilla's sister allegedly bagging 5 billion pesos worth of infrastructure projects.
Yes.
And dun sa bailiwick nila sa Cavite, and apparently yung 2 brothers and a nephew nag-serve as lawmakers during those times. So are we looking also into this?
Yes, we've been investigating that. We have a team on top of it. We've been doing that since for the past, kasi alam nyo, 10 months na nga kami dito, no? We're almost 10 months here. And it's not easy to build cases. And we will not file cases unless we have the evidence. So, kinokompleto lang namin bago namin i-file. Kasi ang philosophy namin, pag nag-file kami, ready kami to present in court. At ano yan, karamihan yan, mag-move kami for continuous trial pag settle down na lahat. Okay?
Medyo tautological yung question. No? Pero does the recantation as submitted, I mean as published, no, make false the claims in the complaint affidavit? Or kasi...
No, it does not. It does not. Ano nga yan eh? Afterthought na yan eh. Afterthought na yan eh. It's an afterthought. Okay?
Sir, bonus round. A legal question and as former DOJ. On the issue of the extradition of Pastor Kibuloy, can the US ask for extradition while there's a case pending before the RTC?
That is something to be settled by the DOJ. There are choices. They will have to ask the complainant on what the wish of the complainant is. Kasi syempre, he's in jail because of the complainant. It's an active complaint in court. But that is the issue to be settled now, is what the complainant wishes to happen. Okay? Thank you. Thank you.